Good afternoon, this is Jeff with Sewer Tech Northwest. Today we're at property address 7864 Northwest 169th Avenue here in Portland. We're located at the front of the home. We're just to the left of the front doorway. A 4-inch ABS cleanout. It's straight out from this kind of second vent in. We're going to insert the camera and check the overall condition and serviceability of the sanitary sewer line. We currently have water running. Here we go. Because this is brand new construction, I am going to reverse direction at the end, and we'll camera back to make sure we don't have any very common things to have construction debris and excess pipe glue. Got a big old bunch of junk stuck right here inside the line, so we'll take a look at this. If we can't break it free here on the way out and see what's going on here. And it could be very common to have excess pipe glue in the line on these new construction, and even a small amount like that right there. That does appear to be, it's either a plastic burr from where the pipe was cut, or it's excess glue. And even a small amount of that in the flow line can really hang stuff up easily, especially if you're balling up toilet paper like we just saw there. Okay, we've got a big bunch of construction debris in the line here. This is probably the culprit, or part of the reason why we've got a problem here. Now the camera may move that out of the way, we'll see. I think if we can get it into this larger diameter pipe, we might be in good shape. What I don't want to do here is get my camera stuck on that thing. Looks like we're going to skate past that just barely. That's going to need to be removed from the line. That sucker will cause a backup about the first day you're here if it doesn't make its way out of the line. And just transition there over to 3034 PVC pipe. And not knowing what that material is there, I'm not sure I'd go the route of trying to auger it out. You might want to try a jet, so you can blast it out of the line out into the main here. Here at 47 feet, we have reached the main lateral connection. Now we're going to let the line drain out for a moment before reeling back. Alright, the line's pretty much all drained out at this point here, just down to a trickle. We're going to go ahead and start reeling in. And I just located the camera ahead. The line pretty much does a straight shot out from the clean out to the main. Alright, well, that one kind of scared me there. Make sure my camera didn't get stuck on that. Right now it is firmly stuck in that section there. It's like the exact same diameter as the pipe. This looks like it might be a piece of tile. You can see it's kind of ribbed on the bottom side there. If that is tile, in fact, I mean that's not going to go anywhere without probably doing a hydrojet to break it into pieces. So make sure that the drain cleaning guys see the video first, so they know what they're getting their hands into. Because I doubt an auger is going to move that thing hardly at all. You'll need probably like a chain bit on the end of a jetter in order to break that into pieces. It looks like it's lodged in there pretty good. And this right here also needs to be trimmed out of the way. I know it looks small, but that thing, it might break loose at some point, it might not. But things like that can cause toilet paper to hang up quite easily. Obviously the most important thing is getting that piece of tile out of the line. That little tiny burr there might catch stuff, it might not, but it should be dealt with at the same time as the drain cleaning job is done anyway. Okay, we're now going back into the home here. Hopefully we don't have any more stuff like that in the line. Yeah, we're going to stop there. It's getting really hard to push the camera through all those turns. And we're going to go ahead and reel out everything we've scoped back into the house here is looking good, clean and clear of debris, and draining out properly. So the line itself is in great shape. We've got good flow all the way to the main. ABS and PVC portions are all in good condition. Just make sure that piece of tile gets removed from the line, because that will cause a backup extremely fast. Unless you have little bits of folded toilet paper, it might skate underneath. But anyway, get it jetted out of there and then get it re-scoped to make sure that it has been removed. There's like a plastic burr about 2 feet. All those that should get removed, no problem at all if you run a jetter or an auger through there. That bit of tile, though, I have a feeling you're probably going to have to put something like a chain bit on the end of a hydro jetter so you can break it into pieces. And make sure that the Drain Clean guys see the video first before they come out here with the wrong piece of equipment. Anyway, aside from the tile, the line's in great shape.